Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. Permanent account number PAN is a mandatory document when it comes to tax payment in India. If you accidentally misplace it or it gets damaged or lost, then you don't have to apply for a new PAN. Instead, you can apply for a duplicate PAN card. A duplicate PAN card is a document issued by the Income Tax Department when the cardholder loses, damages, or misplaces the PAN card. You can apply for a duplicate PAN card either online or offline. Let us take a look at the online method first. Step 1. Visit the NSDL website for a reprint of PAN card. The link for the website is given in the description. Step 2. Enter your permanent account number, Aadhaar number and date of birth and submit the application. Step 3. Verify this using Aadhaar OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number. Note that a reprint is possible only if there are no changes to the details of your PAN card. The charges to dispatch your PAN card is ₹50 within India and ₹959 outside India. In case you don't have an Aadhaar number, Step 1. Visit the Tax Information Network website for PAN services. Scroll down to find the heading Reprint of PAN card. Step 2. Choose Apply option. A new page appears. Step 3. Under the Apply Online tab, select the Changes or Correction in Existing PAN Data or Reprint of PAN card, No Changes in Existing PAN Data option. Step 4. Fill in the information about the type of taxpayer, that is, individual, company or LLP, name, date of birth or date of formation, mobile number and email address. Then submit it. Step 5. A token number will be generated and sent to your registered email address. Step 6. Click on Continue with PAN application form button at the bottom of the page. Step 7. Fill up the fields under Personal Details and Contact Details tabs and select the mode of submission of PAN application. There are 3 modes available. Mode 1. Physical submission. The acknowledgement form generated after payment has to be printed and sent along with the copies of documents required by registered post to the PAN Services Unit of NSDL. Mode 2. Digital submission through eKYC and eSign. Aadhaar is mandatory for availing this option. You can only use the details given in your Aadhaar in the duplicate PAN card application. An OTP will be sent to the Aadhaar registered number for authentication of details provided. No need to upload photo, signature and any other documents. While submitting the final form through this option, digital signature DSC will be required to e-sign the form. Mode 3. Scanned images submission through eSign. Aadhaar is mandatory for this method as well. You have to upload scanned images of photographs, signature and other documents. Only Aadhaar OTP will authenticate the application form. Step 8. Choose whether you need a physical PAN card or an e-PAN card. If you select the latter option, a digitally signed e-PAN card will be sent to your email address. Step 9. Fill the details in the Contact and Other Details and Document Details tab. Step 10. Submit the application. Step 11. Make the payment and note down the acknowledgement number. Your duplicate PAN card will be dispatched within 2 weeks from the date the application was submitted. You can use the 15-digit acknowledgement number to track the status of your application. The procedure for offline method is as follows. Step 1. Download and print the Changes or Correction in the Existing PAN card or Request for New PAN card form from the Tax Information Network website. Step 2. Use block letters and black ink to fill out the form. Mention your permanent account number and fill out other details. Step 3. If you are an individual, then you must attach 2 passport-sized photos and cross-sign carefully. Make sure not to cover your face while cross-signing. Step 4. The application must be sent to NSDL Facilitation Center along with the payment, address proof, identity proof and PAN proof. Step 5. After the office receives your payment, a printed acknowledgement form will be generated. Step 6. The Facilitation Center will forward your application form to the Income Tax PAN Services Unit for further action. The duplicate PAN card will be dispatched within 2 weeks from the receipt of your application. You must know that taxpayers, except individuals, cannot file their own PAN card application. It requires an authorized signatory's signature to file the application. The following table will give you a clear idea about this. As stated earlier, individuals can file their own PAN application form. However, in the case of Hindu undivided families, that is HUFs, Karta of the family is the authorized signatory for filing the application. In the case of companies, any director of the company can be the authorized signatory. In the case of firms or limited liability partnerships, any partner of the firm or LLP can be the authorized signatory. When it comes to AOPs, body of individuals, association of persons, local authority, or artificial juridical person, then the authorized signatory is as mentioned in the incorporation's deed of the several taxpayers. I hope my video was informative. Please like and share my video. Subscribe to ClearTax channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications of our latest videos.